Okay, today we have Unit 6, Lesson 1. Two children. Okay, who are they? They are Ronnie and Susan. I have now another question. When did they get up? When did they get up at that day? In the past. When did they wake up? They wake up at 6:30. What did they do? What did they do? They prepared their bag. Why? Because they had school trip. Where did they go? They went, to the museum. How did they go there? By bus. So here we have questions about our friends, Ronnie and Susan. So today we have Unit 6 in the past, في الماضي, in the past, and Lesson 1, WH questions, الأسئلة like how, who, what, why, where, and when. How, who, what, why, where, and when. English for Libya Primary 5 Pupils book. So now we need your book and open it on page 86. Open your book on page 86. What can you see on page 86? What can you see? In the past. In the past. Lesson 1. We have here some pictures and words. And we have here sentence we need to write them or match them with the pictures. Now it's time to explain. We need more explain. Look at the first picture here. What can you see? You can see a man, you can see a woman, and you can see a boy. So the WH question is who? When we ask about man, what we say? Who is he? Who is she? Who is he? Who are they? So who? Who is he? He is a teacher. Who is she? She is a woman. She is Nadia's grandma. So who? Who? We use who because who is a person. Who is a person. When we ask about a person, we use who. Who is she? Who is that? So who? The second picture is different things. Can you see? What's this? Pencil, crayon, pen, rubber, scissors. So, WH question? What? 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 Why what? What is a thing or an animal? Who is a person? Who is a person? What is a thing or an animal? What's this? Who is she? What is it? Who is she? Third picture. What we have in third picture? Time, 3 o'clock. Day, night. So we use here when. 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 Why when? Because when is a time. When is a time. Okay, we can see ball under the table. We can say school. We can see school next to the house. So here we are speaking about what? Place. Place. So we use where. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? It is under the table. It is under the table. Where is the ball? It is under the table. Where is school? It's next to the house. Why? Because where is place? Where is the place? Now, picture number 5. We have a lot of things. Here we have a birthday cake. So how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How old is she? She is 4. Mountain, mountain. Nafusa mountains. How high are Nafusa mountains? 968. How high? How many? How old? So here we use what? We use how. How. Look at this. It is a car and a school. So how do you go to school? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? How many? How old? How high? How do you go to school? So how is number, and how is the way we do something. How is a number, and how is the way we do something. Last picture, question, question, question. So why we have this question? Why? Why? Why means because. Why Rami and Susan prepared their backpack? Because they had school trip. So why? Because. Why? Because. So we have who is a person. Repeat after me. Who is a person? What is a thing or an animal? When is a time? Where is the place? How is a number? How is the way? We do something. We do something. Why means because. Why means because. So here, WH questions. We start with who, and here is the meaning. Who is a person. What is a thing or an animal. When is a time. Where is the place. How is a number. How is something we have do it. Why means because. Okay, who, person. What, thing or an animal. When, time. Where, place. How, number or the way we do something. Why means because. Who, what, when, where, how, why. Look, read, and match. Look, read, and match. So we have, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? The way we are do something. How? By bus. Excellent. Why means because. Why are you wearing a hat? علاش لابسة hat? Why are you wearing a hat? Because it is cold. Where is the library? Where is the library? Where is the library? مكتبة. Where is the library? It is next to the school. Next to the school. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? We need time. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? At 7 o'clock. Who is the tall man? Who is the tall man? He is my brother. What are these? What are these? They are sweets. They are sweets. So how, why, where, when, who, and what?
Listen and check your answers. 1. How do you go to school?
By bus.
2. Why are you wearing a hat?
Because it is cold.
3. Where is the library?
It's next to the school.
4. When do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock.
5. Who is the tall man?
He is my brother.
6. What are these?
They're sweets.
Now, we have here some questions and we have here some answers. So who? Can we start with the first one? Who? Who is a big boy? Who? We need a person. Where is the person here from the answer? It is number. We have cold, brother, cookies, 8 o'clock, school, and 10. So we need who? Person. Who is a person? Who is a person? Where's the person? It is number 2. Brother. أخي. Brother. Number 2 here. What are these? What are these? We ask about things. And these things, plural. It has S. So what are these? Excellent. Cookies. How old are you? How old? Number. Where's the number? Can you tell me? Excellent. Where is supermarket? I need a place. Where is supermarket? Next to the school. Why? Why means because. Why are you wearing boots? Cold. And the last one, when go to bed? I need time. When go to bed? 8 o'clock. So now we are going to start with our activity book. Open it on page 72. Page 72. Number 1. Listen to these words. What sound do you hear? Look, we have here 4 words. What are they? What, when, where, why, what. What is a thing or an animal? When is a time? Where is a place? Why means because. Again, what is a thing or an animal? When is a time? Where is a place? Why means because. Okay, another group. Who, who, how, whose, who, how, whose. Okay, what sound do you hear? Here, WH, WH, letters, WH and WH letters. But what sound do you hear? What's the difference between the first group and the second group? Again, what, when, where, why, who, how, whose. The first group is wa sound. The first group is wa, what. The second group is ha sound. Who, WH, wa, WH, ha, who. Like here, who. Okay, Why here we have w and here we have h. Look, W-H-A, what? W-H-E, when? W-H-E, where? W-H-Y, why? W-H-O, who? H-O, how? W-H-O, who? So here, when we have O, it is ha sound. Who, how, whose. Who, how, whose. But this one, what, when, where, why. So, what, ha, who, what, ha, who. Can you repeat after me? What, when, where, why, who, how, whose. Okay, now number 3. Look at the pictures and write the question word. So we have question word. Do you still remember them? Who, when, where, how, what, whose, and why. So we will start with number 1. 9. So the question is, how old is she? We need a number. How old is she? Okay, excellent. Can we go now to number 2? The question is about a person. The person with the gray hair. So what we write here? Who is the man? Excellent. Can we go now to number 3? What we have in number 3? There is a lady, there is a woman holding an umbrella. So our question, the reason. Why are you holding an umbrella? Why are you holding an umbrella? Okay, now we are going to number 4. Can you answer this question by yourself? Okay, we ask about these things on the table. So about things. So the question should be what? Excellent. What are those things on the table? Okay, number 5. Is it time to wake up? Wake up, wake up. So time. Muhammad, can you answer it? When? Good boy. Now we are going to number 6. Is your baby brother, okay, like a ball under the table? So we are speaking about the place. Who can answer this one? Rujain. Excellent. Where is your baby brother? Okay. Now number 7. Whose? Liman. Whose boots are these? Okay, because we know the word whose before. So we have, how old is she? Who is the man with gray hair? Why are you holding an umbrella? What are those things on the table? When is it time to wake up? Where is your baby brother? Whose boots are these? Excellent. Now we are going to listen and check our answers.
Listen and check your answers. 1. How old is she? 2. Who is the man with the grey hair? 3. Why are you holding an umbrella? 4. What are those things on the table? 5. When is it time to wake up? 6. Where is your baby brother? 7. Whose boots are these? Listen and
Okay, number 5. Look again at activity book page 72 and match the answers to the questions. So now we have more explanations about questions. We will start the first picture. It's 9. Number. So what's the question? How old is she? How old is she? The answer is she's 9 years old today. She's 9 years old today. So how old is she? From 9 we understand. She's 9 years old today. How old is she? How old is she? She's 9 years old today. Okay, we ask about man. We ask about man, a person. So the question is, who is the man with gray hair? Who is the man with gray hair? Who is the man with gray hair? Who? Who? He's my uncle. He's my uncle. He's my uncle. There is a lady here, a woman with umbrella. The woman is holding umbrella. So we ask about reason. Why? Why are you holding an umbrella? Why are you holding an umbrella? The answer? Because it's going to rain. Because it's going to rain. Okay, we need umbrella because it's going to rain. So here we have, how old is she? How old is she? She's 9 years old today. Why I use how? Because how is number. Excellent. How is a number? When we ask about number, we use how. How old is she? How old is she? She's 9 years old today. She's 9 years old today. She's 9 years old today. Who is the man with gray hair? Who is the man with gray hair? He is my uncle. He is my uncle. He is my uncle. Why are you holding an umbrella? Why are you holding an umbrella? Because it's going to rain. Because it's going to rain. How is a number? Who is a person? Why means because. Now we are going to start with another picture. What we have here? We have cookies. We have cookies. So the question is, what are those things on the table? What are those things on the table? What are those things on the table? So we ask what because think. What is a thing or an animal? What are those things on the table? The answer should be, they are the cookies I made in the morning. They are the cookies I made in the morning. Another picture here. Another picture. So the question is, where's your baby brother? Where's your baby brother? Where's your baby brother? He's under the table. He's under the table. So where is the place? So where's your baby brother? He's under the table. Time here. We have a time. So when is time to wake up? Wake up. At about 6 o'clock. When is the time? At about 6 o'clock. Okay. Whose boots are these? Whose boots are these? They are SARS. So we have what, where, when, but here we have whose, what are those things on the table? What is your baby brother? Where's your baby brother? When is it time to wake up? Whose boots are these? The last thing today is punctuation. Number 6. What are these? Match. We need match. Wasl, match. The pictures here with the words here. So the first one, it is full stop. We call it in English full stop. question mark, question mark, question mark. A, B, C, D. Capital letters, capital letters. Repeat after me. Full stop, full stop, full stop. Question mark, question mark, question mark. A, B, C, D. Capital letters, capital letters. Now, number 7. A capital letters starts a sentences. When you are going to write a sentence, the first letter should be what? Capital. Capital letter. A full stop ends a sentence like this. When you finish a sentence, put what? Full stop. What is a question mark? This is a question mark. It's a full stop for a question sentence. So, when you write a sentence, the first letter is capital letter. When you write a sentence, at the end you should write full stop. What's the question mark? This is a question mark. It's a full stop for a question sentence. For example, how old are you? So how do you spell how? H-O-W, H capital, H capital. Old are you? At the end, question mark, question mark. So, again, full stop, question mark, capital letters. Full stop, question mark, capital letters. Full stop, question mark, and capital letters. Full stop, the end of the sentence. نهاية الجملة. Full stop, the end of the sentence. Question mark, it's a full stop for a question sentence. في نهاية السؤال. Question mark. A capital letter starts a sentence. نبدأ الجملة capital letter, capital letter. So today we have questions and question word. Who, what, when, where, how, why. Who, what, when, where, how, why. Who is a person, what is a thing or an animal, when is a time, where is a place, how is a number, and why means because. So who is this little girl? She is my sister. So see you next time. Bye.